Hello students, I am gonna to tell you the top 20 features of new education policy which is announced in the last month. So without delay, let's start. First features of this policy will be 10 plus 2 board structure is dropped. Second ones will be new school structures will be 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. I hope that you are known already with these two features. Third feature is up to 5 preschool, 6 to 8 middle school, 8 to 11 high school, and 12 onwards graduation. Any degree will be 4 years is the fourth feature of this policy. Sixth, study onwards vocational courses available. From 8th to 11th, students can choose subject. Seventh, all graduation course will have major and minor. As example, science student can have physics as major and music as minor also. Any combination he can choose. There is no restriction in this policy. All higher education will be governed by only one authority. UGC and AICTE will be merged. All university, government, private, open, deemed, vocational, etc. will have same grading and other rules. New teacher training board will be set up for all kinds of teacher in country. No state can change. Same level of accreditation to any college based on its rating. College will get autonomous rights and funds. New basic learning program will be created by government for parents to teach children up to 3 years in home and for preschool 3 to 6. Multiple entry and exit from any course. Credit system for graduation for each year. Student will get some credits which he can utilize if he takes break in course and come back again to complete course. All school exams will be semester wise twice a year. The syllabus will be reduced to core knowledge of any subject only. More focus on student practical and application knowledge. For any graduation course, if a student complete only 1 year, he will get a basic certificate. If he complete 2 years, then he will get a diploma certificate. And he completed full, so he will get degree certificate. So no year of any student will be wasted if he break the course in between. All the graduation course feed of all universities will be governed by single authority with capping on each course. Now we can hope our education system will be at par with modern countries and future will be bright. We can say new education policy, new idea and new India. I hope that you will like this video and make sure to subscribe.